Welcome to this property brought to you by the experts at Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty in Klamath Falls, Oregon. For more information, be sure to visit coldwellbankerhpr.com or call 541-884-1343. This lovely home with open floor plan and vaulted ceilings in the great room is the perfect place if you are looking for a newer home. Over 1,400 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. All-electric energy-efficient home is a nice fenced subdivision in the suburbs. Kitchen appliances included. Attached 2-car garage.